Hello everyone, this is Eric with ReLISTO, Leasing and Property Management here in San Francisco. We are looking at unit S1804 in the Metropolitan today. Of course, this is on the 18th floor in a wonderful condominium complex. One of the, I would say, with the nicest door staff. I have to say that the door staff has always been amazing here. Bosch appliances, lots of cabinets, Bosch dishwasher, KitchenAid, lots of under the counter lighting as well, gas stovetop, tile floors. So this is a nice foyer area that you can use to store things, or if you want a little sitting area. You do have a coat closet that is immediately to your left here. As we keep going, you have a stackable washer dryer right here with a little bit extra storage space in there as well. Big bathroom, tub, shower combination, nice sink, lots of room in here. Let's first look at the bathroom or the bedroom. We walk in here. You have views of the bay. It's just amazing the views you have out here. Nice double pane windows. We do have the windows open right now, which is nice. You can open the windows to vent. Nice big closet, carpeted flooring. Nice plush under your feet. And then there's a little cutout here, which gives you a lot of opportunities for extra storage or room. Here we have the living room / dining room. You can see that there's a little bit of bar seating here if you so desire. And then let's go look at the view. I mean, this is really spectacular being able to look out here. You're looking at the Rincon Center. You're looking at the water, all the tankers. Just super, super gorgeous. And you can see the ballpark. You have actually direct views of the ballpark, so you can see the fireworks as they after the games, as everything returns to normal. This property does have everything. It has roof deck, gym, fitness room, huge fitness room, which is really, really nice. So if you're interested, let us know. We'll just kind of walk through here once again. There is parking, so it has everything you need to really live comfortably in the SOMA area of San Francisco. All right, cheers, bye-bye.